by virtue of the powers entrusted to me, I award to all those whose names have been read a diploma in medical records and informatics of St. Francis Schools of Health Sciences. Congratulations. Many people want to get rich. A patient will come, or somebody will come, and you do some test, and you find there's no problem, and you create a problem, because how will this patient go away without leaving you some money? So you create a problem. You say, all these things are good, bad. There's this one, which is not there. So that you make some money out of this person. That is wrong. That is, those are practices which are going on in the medical practice.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.